Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mom and Me Beauty. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're going to be giving you our next edition of Gotta Have It, Don't Buy It, and this is for the month of August. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea, something to eat, and let's get started.
Now our first section of this video is called Gotta Have It, and that is our favorite products or stuff that we have just been loving for whatever a month, and this month is August. So my first thing is probably the most controversial item on YouTube, the ABH Subculture. So many people on YouTube hate this palette. I don't understand. I don't get it. I absolutely love this palette. Now, most people are saying they don't like it is because of, there's a ton of kickback in the eyeshadow pans, but those are the type of people that like to dig their brushes into the palette. Personally, I don't do that. I don't want to waste product. So I find that these are very blendable, very pretty, high pigmented, and the texture is just all around great. And the color range is wonderful. Now, if you want to see more about this palette, we will link the video that I did on it down below and up here for you guys. And then the packaging is just a nice soft velvet. It's got the name right on the front. I love this palette. So
my first gotta have it for the month of August is a product that I actually brought with me on our trip to the Bahamas and St. Thomas on our cruise trip. If you'd like to see that video where we show you exactly what we bring with us, I'll link that up here in the cards for you and in the description bar below. This is the best eyebrow pencil. Well, it's really not that. It's like an eyebrow marker type of thing that I've ever tried. Now, I did try the new Maybelline that came out a couple of months ago before I gotten this one, and that Maybelline, I had to buy two of them because I used it like once, and then the next day when I went to go use it, it had completely dried out, and I thought at first like I had just bought a fluke. So I bought a second one, same thing happened. So in any case, then I stumbled upon this. This is Salon Perfect's On Point Tri-Tip Brow Marker, and I am in the shade Dark Brown. What I absolutely love about this marker is that it's got like 3 prongs. Each one of the prongs is a different size. So you can really draw hair-like strokes on those sparser areas of your brows, and it looks completely natural. Once it dries down, it stays put, it doesn't budge. It just makes my brows look really a lot fuller right in the center, where I think a lot of us tend to lose the hair first. So it doesn't, it just blends in with my natural brows. It's just perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It's a great affordable brow marker. I found mine at Walmart. The only downside to it is that it came in 2 shades, just 2 shades that I saw. It might be available more shades online, but in Walmart it was just 2.
my next palette is, again, another ABH palette. Not as controversial, and that is the brand new Norvina palette. So some people have called this a subculture part 2, or some people really love it. It's more of like mixed opinions. For me, again, I love this. Pigmentation is great. The packaging is gorgeous. It's their nice velvet eyeshadow packaging. I love the color, and just I love everything about this palette. Again, this palette does come with a brush, but I have been on the hunt for a really nice purple eyeshadow, and I saw the Instagram ad for this, and in classic Emma fashion, I immediately tried to find when this would be in store. Long story short, I ended up getting this palette, and we will link the video we did on this up here and down below for you guys. But
we created 2 looks with this one palette.
Right. I love all of the shades in here, and the purples are just so pigmented. It's just great. I love this. I don't think I can say anymore. I love this.
My next gotta have it for the month of August is Wet n Wild Color Icon Baked Blush in Don't Flutter Yourself. This came out several months ago. I think it's part of their summer collection. Don't quote me. Originally, the intention of this product was to be a blush. The problem that I found with it to be a blush is that it is way too glimmery, shimmery, and sparkly on my cheeks. and it's also a little bit too dark to be used as a highlighter. I don't like shimmery blushes, so now my next question is, well, what do I use this for? And I know this section of the video is called Gotta Have It. That's because this makes a stunning eyeshadow. I have used it so many times this month for that exact purpose. And bonus, the pan is like humongous. I feel like I will never run out of this as an eyeshadow. It's just so pretty. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. The pigmentation is insane, and that was like 2 swirls in the pan with my finger, and I didn't even have to pull or tug to apply it to my hand. So pretty. It's just it's a beautiful eyeshadow. So not so much a blush, but definitely an eyeshadow.
So my next product is from Ulta Beauty, and that is their automatic brow pencil in medium. I believe we got this in one of their free gift bag sets. I got this and I tried it, and it's actually really good. Very pigmented, and me personally, I like a thicker brow pencil, like thicker as in
Wider tipped.
Wider tipped, yes. And I love the color. Now I know it's called medium, but it's more of my shade. I don't think light would be that good for me, but very creamy, very pigmented. I love the slim packaging. It's absolutely great, and it lasts all day.
My last gotta have it for the month of August is, honestly, I have to be completely, totally discreet with you guys. I've only had it a week. But I love it so much. I love it that much that I had to include it in this month's Gotta Have It. This is the new Aurora Lights 18 Color Baked Eyeshadow Palette by BH Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. This was included in our Ulta Beauty and Sephora wish list video. I will link that video down there for you and up in the cards here for you as well. So I think the day after, or no, the day of, the day that we taped that video, we went to Ulta and I grabbed myself this eyeshadow palette, and I have not put it down since. It is so pretty. The colors in here, I don't have to go into great detail for you. I am a pink lover, a purple lover, and half this palette is pinks and purples. I have also tried this dark blue right here down at the bottom. I've tried that in my outer corner. It just looks stunning. It just, oh, so pretty. I've also used this white here as an inner corner highlight. I've used this like goldeny champagne color as a lid color. Yeah, it's just every color in here is so beautiful, and it inspires me to try other colors that I might not normally try, like these greens down here. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. It's so affordable. I think it was like $15 or $20, and that was without the coupon that you can get through Ulta. So, oh, get yourself one of these if you love pinks and purples.
And I kind of wanted to. Now my last product I have had for a few months, and I've been kind of like trying it out and comparing it to another mascara. But this one in particular is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Waterproof Mascara. I tried this for the first time a few months ago, and when I applied it, I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. It looked like your standard mascara from my point of view. So I came over here to film, and Mom said, your eyelashes look huge. So I was like, okay, we're trying this again. This gives me the look of false lashes. I absolutely love this mascara, and it's affordable. So I think it might beat the Lash Paradise for me.
Dun dun dun!
Now our next section of the video is called Maybes, and I only have one maybe, I guess you'd call it. So let's just get right into that. So my maybe is the Sephora Lip Stories lipsticks. Now I have the shade Love Love in matte and the shade Pineapple Express in cream. I have the Pineapple Express on my lips today. I love the color. The color is gorgeous, very pigmented, nice and creamy, but I find that they are not long wearing. I find that, if I eat even a sandwich that's not messy at all and that has some chips, my lipstick will be all over the place. It'll have smudge, it'll have worn off. I don't think this is great for if you want to wear to school or even out shopping. If you just want to throw something on and leave it here and not have to worry about it, this is not that product. But if you want, you know, maybe for like the holidays or something where you're having maybe a dinner party and you just want to put something on and then maybe really apply it if you want. Great lipstick. I just don't know if the formula is there for this one. And then this matte one, again, color's beautiful, nice and creamy. Love the packaging for both of these. Again, this just wears off. This one wears off more so than the other color, and it just smears everywhere. And this is supposed to be a matte. So, sorry Sephora, I don't know if these are your best formula.
And this last section of the video we call Don't Buy It. These are products that we really would not ever touch again. Now, that caveat being said, if these products work well for you and you love them, that is great. Please leave us a comment down below. Let us know how they work so well for you. Perhaps we're just not using them right or what have you. So my first Don't Buy It for the month of August is something that I actually received in my BoxyCharm box several months ago. I have tried it a couple of times. It is god-awful. It is by Pretty Vulgar. It's their The Ink Gel Eyeliner in #1 Blacklist. So, I normally wear waterproof eyeliner only because I tend to get really bad allergies multiple times a year. So I honestly don't know if one day it's going to be better than the next. I don't know if one day my eyes are going to be watering like a faucet or the next day they're going to be really dry. I have no idea. So that's why I gave this product multiple shots, assuming that I would hit some day where my eyes weren't going to water. It didn't matter. My eyes were so dry this one particular day, and I wore it to work. When I came home the following morning, it looked like I had been crying all night long. It was literally like streaming down my cheeks. I could not for the life of me figure it out. I didn't get caught in the rain. I wasn't crying. I didn't have any allergies that particular night. It still was like running down my face. It was awful. In fact, I'm surprised the nurse I gave report to didn't say something to me. It was that bad. It's a full pot of this ink, of this gel eyeliner, but it just did not work out for me. It's sad. It really is sad. So that's a total pass. And my last Don't Buy It for the month of August is something that I really wanted to work so badly that I used up at least half the bottle. There's not very much left in here. This is by BH Cosmetics, their Studio Pro Makeup Setting Spray. I don't know if it's maybe just because I had had it so long, maybe like the formulation went bad after a while. I did use it when I first bought it pretty frequently, but it wasn't like it wowed me at first, and then fairly quickly I was realizing that it was breaking apart my makeup instead of holding it together. So like I said, maybe it's just that it went rancid before I was done using it, but I don't think I would spend my money on it again because I found so many other just as affordable setting sprays that work better than this ever did. So this is a total pass too.
So that is it for this video. We both hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment down below if you have any of these, what your opinions are. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe down below, and click the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is either me or my mom. Be sure to follow us on Instagram under Mom and Me Beauty, and with me under Emma_and_2004, and on Pinterest with that same username. Again, we both hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time in our next Mom and Me video.
Bye everyone.